They say life slows down after 60. But for me, that's when the adventure truly began. I'm Chris, 66 years old, and I live in a 22-year-old Ford Windstar. It's not just a van. It's my home, my freedom, my ticket to a simpler, more peaceful life. Some people wonder why I live in a van at this age. The answer is simple. Because I can. Because I want to wake up to the sound of birds instead of an alarm clock. Because I want my backyard to be wherever the road takes me. Van life isn't always easy. It takes some adjusting, some patience, and a little bit of resourcefulness. But you learn to live with less and appreciate more. A warm meal, a safe place to park, and a sunset that money can't buy. It's not just about travel. It's about freedom. It's about proving that life doesn't have an expiration date. It's about embracing every mile, every moment, and every lesson the road has to teach. If you've ever thought about living this life, whether full-time or just for a while, know this: it's never too late. Life after 60 isn't about slowing down. It's about finally going at your own pace. Senior van life begins now. Are you ready to roll?